Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am showing some hands-on activities through which we can teach kids about colors, shapes, sizes and at the same time improve their concentration levels. In first activity, I have taken a white paper or sheet and on which I have drawn circles which are in different sizes using a kitchen utensil slit. Kids need to identify the shape, that is circle, and match the outline with the correct size of the lid. For the first time, we can demonstrate this activity to the kids and then we can ask them to match. To make use of the space, I have just drawn one rectangular shape. Kids can identify the biggest or the smallest circle. For older kids, we can even ask them to rearrange according to their sizes, increasing or decreasing size order. Toddlers will enjoy this kind of matching activities. And in the second activity, I have taken a white sheet and on which I have drawn three basic shapes, that is circle, square and triangle. Kids need to match the shapes with the blocks or with the color papers. We can make use of any random objects which are in different shapes. We can cut the vegetables in different shapes and ask the kids to match the shapes. Even a color sorting activity can be made from this. All these activities can be best suited for kids ranging from 17 months plus to 5 years old kids. In third activity, I have taken a white paper and on which I have drawn outline of wooden toy puzzle pieces. Kids need to identify and match the correct piece. Though this activity looks simple, kids need to match in correct orientation, that is either in frontward direction or in backward. In fourth activity, I have taken a milk carton sheet and made 4 squares. In each square, I have drawn different shapes, sizes in different colors. Similarly, I made cutout pieces of similar sheet. Kids need to identify shapes, colors and match accordingly. I have used velcro strips to stick the similar cutout piece. This activity needs so much patience. It improves concentration and observation skills in kids. Similarly, another activity is made using milk carton box by drawing triangles and different number of circles. Next activity, I made flashcards using milk carton box. It is activity about identifying the sequence or patterns in which the shapes are arranged. I have drawn one big circle on each flashcard. And in each circle, I have drawn a star, pentagon, circle in different sequences. On first one, I have drawn a star followed by pentagon and then circle. Second one, star, circle, pentagon. Third one as circle, star, pentagon. Kids need to identify the pattern and match the correct flashcard which is having the same pattern. This activity is all about matching the shape patterns, and in the next activity it is about matching the color patterns using the Mega Bloks. Kids need to identify the colors and they need to reconstruct the same pattern using Mega Bloks, that is red, blue, red, green, green, red, yellow and red. Another simple activity is to match the Mega Bloks. Another activity is sorting activity. Using cardboard, I made eggs in 3 different sizes, that is large, medium and small. Kids need to identify the size and match or sort accordingly. This is very simple activity. If you like the activities, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.